Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see a Valorant store on phone. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, and you have to make sure you have downloaded this Valorant Tracker. Once you have downloaded the particular app, you're gonna go ahead, open it up, and once you have done so, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now you simply have to tap on this option of sign it with Riot ID. Tap on continue. It will open up in your browser instead from over here. Then you have option of signing in. You can choose with your Facebook, Google, your Apple ID, or PlayStation or Xbox ID, whatever you would prefer. Go ahead, tap on the preferred option. And once let it process for a second. Once you're done, this is how the interface is gonna look like. You can see I have simply used my account and done so. So since I haven't done any kind of matches, so it's not showing anything right over here, right? But otherwise you will find your matches over here, including the store section, where you will be able to simply check out the store and can have the information of everything. And that is basically how you will be able to access. And you can see, you can go to the store over here, and then you will find everything information, right? Because since they are having conflict with the Riot itself, so you'll have to simply sign in with the Riot to access the store directly from your Valorant. You cannot on your phone. So this is how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.